welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the cursor size and color. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the settings. So there are two ways to opening a setting icon. So as you can see, has an option for the settings. If you want to open this from here, you can also do that, or if you want to open this from the launch pad, you can also do that. Simply we have to click on this system preferences, and after clicking on this, as you can see, has an option for the accessibility. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on the accessibility, simply we need to click on the display. So let's click on this, and after clicking on the display, as you can see, all the options are provided here. Now simply what we need to do, we have to click on the cursor. As you can see, some other options are provided here. If you want to make changes in these options, you can also do that, like invert color, reduce motion, and increase contrast, and all the things are provided here. Simply we have to click on the cursor, and after clicking on the cursor, you have to select the cursor size. As you can see, has an option for the normal. If you want to increase this, you can also do that, like here or here. It's up to you, whatever you are using. And then simply if you want to change the color filters, you can also do that. So in this way you can change your cursor size and color. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the cursor size and color and some other options as well related to display. So see you guys in the next video.